Pavel from On Time Contractors. I'm a project manager. Today we are knocking down the house at 5841 Abbot Avenue South. As you can see, our excavator is dumping the house into the dumpster. Let's walk through the yard. It's pretty dusty. We'll show you what's going on. As you could see, excavator is taking the house and pulling out into the dumpster. We switched out 5 dumpsters already, and he's pulling out the foundation and puts it very tightly into the dumpster and very neatly done. We should be done with pulling all the foundation today, and we'll start shoring up the walls on Thursday. They got 2 dumpsters filled, and probably we'll need another 3 to get everything out.